The Department of the Interior and Local Government says the case involving the killing of Police Senior Master Sergeant Dayan Marie Molinito and her son is now closed after the principal suspects surrendered and were arrested. Almar Forzuelo reports.
Police Senior Master Sergeant Dayan Marie Molinito and her 8-year-old son, John Ismael Molinito, were last seen alive on January 16 in Quezon City before they were reported missing on January 19. 8 days later, on January 24, Dayan's body wrapped in black garbage bag was found in a creek along a bypass road in Pulilan, Bulacan. On January 29, the remains of John Ismael were recovered at a Calamansi farm in Barangay Maluid, Victoria, Tarlac. Based on the investigation, the victims were allegedly scammed while attempting to purchase a vehicle from the suspects.
Parang pinag-interesan yung 450,000 na presyo ng Innova na binibenta. Nabili na kasi, bibigyan niya yung pera kay Dayan, hindi na binigay. Imbes ibigay sa kanya yung pera, binulil na lang siya.
4 principal suspects are now in police custody, including the Panganiban couple, who were identified as wedding godchildren of the victim. According to the PNP, the crime took place inside the Panganiban residence in Novaliches, where the suspects even wrapped the sofa in plastic to conceal the blood stains.
Sa bahay pala ni Panganiban ay pinatay si Dayan Marie Molinito sa pamamagitan ng gunshot wound na pumasok dito sa ulo at lumabas habang siya nakaupo at lumabas po sa kanyang pigi.
Investigators also revealed a chilling detail. The suspects allegedly brought along their 3 young children in the vehicle, while the bodies of Dayan and her son were in the back as they disposed of them in separate provinces.
Kasama nila yung mga anak nila sa kotse habang yung labi ni Dayan Molinito at kanyang anak ay nasa likod na nakabalot. Merong psychopathic criminal tendencies talaga kasi walang konsensya. Paano mo madadali yung anak mo sa participation of the crime? Diba? Anong klaseng utak ka na meron? Anong klaseng puso ka na meron? Na pati anak mo, sasama mo sa disposal and sa prosecution of the crime. Doon kami nagulat lahat Pati anak kasama. They were at the scene of the crime.
Quezon City Police District Director Police Colonel Randy Glenn Silvio said the crime was premeditated.
May kwento doon 15 pa lang, parang meron ng mga biniling mga garbage bag at kinobera na yung sopa. Ibig sabihin, nagpaplano na sila.
Colonel Silvio added that Pia Panganiban allegedly ordered that the child be included in the killing.
According to DLD, ang plano sana ni Christian ay papuntahin lang sa iligaw yung bata sa balik doon. Kaya lang ang nasusunod, ang gusto ni Pia, sama na kasi makikilala sa tingnan.
Although the case is closed, the victim's husband, Police Senior Master Sergeant John Molinito, remains under restrictive custody as a person of interest.
Ayon sa aming investigasyon, considered case closed na to at charges will be filed. Isa na lang po ang titignan namin yung anggulo ng asawa ni Dayan na si John Molinito. At nung tinatanong yung John kung anong involvement niya, wala siyang remorse. Hindi umiiyak, hindi malungkot, asawa at anak ang pinatay.
The principal suspects will face charges of robbery with homicide. For God and my beloved Philippines, Almar Forzuelo, SMNA News.